Do you know what it means to become aware? It's not just staying focused in your 10-minute meditation or whatever ritual that you set out in the morning or evening. Awareness is a practice. Joe Dispenza describes it as not letting a thought slip by any second. That means you're alert and awake every second of every day. And I know that sounds exhausting, but manifestation and practicing awareness is a lifestyle. One of the things I've realized about manifesting is that it doesn't happen by accident. You can be pleasantly surprised in the way it comes into your life because, the how is never our business. But setting your intention for your vision is not an accident. It's an act of clarity. You must be clear about what you want for your life. And if you don't know what you want, you've been disconnected for a long time. It's time to sit still and meet your spirit and your higher self, because nobody knows what you want but you. You won't find it on the internet. Nobody can tell you. Only you know. Of course, you can, meet people that help to awaken you to this clarity, people that can help you realize your purpose, but ultimately you will lead yourself down this path of what you truly desire in life. I just wanted to create this short video to tell you about the power of awareness, because when you start becoming aware, there is no going back. You will learn so much about yourself and why you think the way you think and why you believe in certain things. And it's such a humbling and eye-opening journey. If you need help or support, join my courses and programs at the link at the top of my page. I know they will change your life because they will activate you. EFT tapping is that powerful. Okay, I'll see you next time.